The system.io file not found exception error typically occurs when a file that is being accessed by a program cannot be found or opened. This error can occur in various systems, including software like system.io when uploading or accessing files. Here's how to fix it. Check the file path. Ensure that the file path is correct. If you're trying to upload or access a file in system.io, make sure the file is in the expected location and the path is spelled correctly. Verify file availability. If you are uploading a file to system.io, check if the file is still present on your system. It may have been deleted, moved, or renamed. Re-upload the file. If the file was moved or renamed, upload it again. Make sure the file format is supported by system.io. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cached files can cause issues. Clear your browser cache or try using an incognito window to upload the file again. Check system permissions. Ensure that your system or software has permissions to access the file. If you are working on a local file, verify that the file permissions are not restricted.